Hi viewers, welcome to Ganesh YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create this type of connection in Tekla structures. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures with US environment. Now I'm going to create column. So click on steel and select this column and click on here to place the column. Right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. Now go to create views. So click on grid, right click on mouse, create views along grid lines. Then click on create, click on OK and click on OK. Now go to elevation on grid 2. So using the shortcut Ctrl I for view list. Now select this elevation on grid 2 and click on this arrow and close this window. Now I'm going to split this column into two parts. So click on edit and select this split, select column and pick the position at here. Now right click on mouse interrupt, click on window and select this 3D view. You can see now here two parts. Now I'm going to create a connection between these two parts. So go to application components by using the shortcut Ctrl F. In search bar type number 14. You will get this component joining plates number 14 and select this component, pick the main part as a column and pick the second part as a this part. You can see you can't get this connection at here. To create connection you need to change the coordinates. So right click on mouse interrupt and close this window. Now click on this view and select this work plane and select this work plane tool and click on this flange. You can see now the coordinates are changed to, you can see x direction and y direction. Click on escape. You can see now we have x direction on upward direction. Now go to application components by using the shortcut Ctrl F and select this joining plate. Now pick main part as this part and pick the second part as this part. You can see now we have connection. Now right click on mouse interrupt. Now close this window. Now click on space, right click on mouse redraw view. Now I'm going to change the coordinates again. So click on this work plane and select this parallel to XYZ plane. Now click on change and close it. You will get normal coordinates like this, default coordinates. Now I'm going to edit this connection. So double click on it. Now pan it here. Now go to parts tab. In parts you can change the plate thickness. For example, let's take plate thickness ½ inch. Now click on modify to see the result. You can see now this plate thickness should be ½ inch. Now go to bolts tab. In bolts you can control bolt size and spacing. So click on this bolt and select 3/4 inch bolt and tolerance 1/16. Now coming to here, in lengthwise, let's take edge distance 2 inch and number of bolts. Let's take number of bolts 5 in vertical direction and spacing let's take 5 inch. Now click on modify. You will get like this. You can see. Now coming to widthwise, let's take edge distance 2 inch, number of bolts 2 and spacing 3 inch. Let's take 3.5. Click on modify. You'll get like this. Now click on modify, apply, OK. Click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. Now use the shortcut Ctrl R and pick the rotation point here. Use the left mouse key to rotate like this. You can see now by default you have connection like this. You can see now we have connection like this. Okay, now I'm going to create stiffeners for this connection at here. So go to elevation view window and select this elevation on grid 2. Right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. Now zoom it here. Now I'm going to create stiffener at here. So click on steel and select this plate and zoom it and pick the first point at the edge of this plate and pick the second point at here and just place the cursor on edge. Don't click on it, just place the cursor and enter the value 4 inch. For example, if you required a stiffener height 4 inch, then enter here 4 on your keyboard, then click on enter. Now pick the next point at the edge of this plate to create stiffeners like this. Now right click on mouse interrupt. Now click on window and select this 3D view and zoom it here. You'll get like this. Now select this plate. Make sure this plate, this point, end point at the middle. Now we're going to change the plate thickness. So double click on it. By default we have plate thickness 3/8. For example, let's take 1/4 PL and we need to enter 1/4. Now click on modify. You can see now we have plate thickness 1/4 inch. If you want to change the color, then click on here. Let's take class 1. Now click on modify. You'll get like this. Now close this window here. Click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. Now click on this window and select this elevation on grid 2. You can see now we have plate like this. Now go to create remaining plates. So select this plate and zoom it here. Pick the first point and pick the second point here. And just place the cursor on this edge and enter value 4 inch. Then click on enter on your keyboard. You can press the scroll middle button to place the plate also like this. Now I'm going to place here. Now pick first point here and pick the second point at here and give direction. Now enter value 4 inch. Now pick the next point at here. Similarly, we're going to create here with the same procedure. Pick first point at corner. Now pick the second point here. Now give direction. Just place the cursor on edge. Now enter value 4 inch. Now press next point here. Right click mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, 3D view. Now click on window and select this 3D view. You can see now we have stiffeners like this. Now I'm going to weld this stiffener to this column. So select this weld symbol and pick the main part as this column and pick the second part as this stiffener. You can see now this plate is welded to this column. Similarly, we need to weld this plate to this column. So pick the main part and pick the second part as a plate. Do the same procedure at here. Pick the main part and pick the second part. That's it. Right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. Similarly, you can create web stiffeners also at here. Go to the elevation on grid A and you can create stiffeners at here if you required with the same procedure. Okay, that's it about how to create this type of connection in Tekla structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when uploading a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.